What do you think about this race today?
You know, very well organized. You look at it, we're kind of in the middle of nowhere here today, but still very well organized.
Nice.
Lots of people having a lot of fun.
How do you think about our racers?
They're fast. There's some really fast guys. My legs were in a lot of pain,
Really?
so trying to keep up. But yeah, I've been here for a while now and done a few races, and each time the racers seem to be getting better and better.
Really? Cool. So did you help them to organize or they just organize along?
So this one, the organizer, you know, we started to put together our race, the Vietnam Victory Challenge.
Really?
And I think, which will be in March in Dalat. And the race organizer, he decided, hey, let's get some more races to get people excited and to help them to train and to get better on their bikes. So it's very good.
Do you think that, will you do anything to help support this mountain bike sport in Vietnam though?
Yeah, my big goal really with promoting the race in Dalat is to help grow cycling and especially mountain biking here. There's a lot of road cyclists, and I think there's a lot of people that ride mountain bikes too that want it, and there just hasn't been very many races for them.
Cool. So you said something like you're gonna organize the Vietnam Victory Challenge in March.
Right.
So can you share a little bit information about that so we can know where to register and log into?
Yeah, so you can go to VietnamVictoryChallenge.com, and all the information is there online. There's links that you can click for information on where to register. Locals can also go to Dong Tam Bike Shop in District 2. This shop here, and they can go into District 2 and register right there.
I see.
You can also, there's some options to register online. But I encourage people to get registered as soon as possible. You know, and that helps us with the organizing of the race, make sure everybody has, people will get, you know, a packet that has a race t-shirt and some gifts.
Definitely.
Makes it easier if they register a little sooner than the last week.
All right.
So we can get them what they need. But it's going to be awesome. 3 days of mountain bike racing in some of the most beautiful country I've seen.
Definitely. All right. So we wish that the contest is going to be successful for Victory Challenge, right?
Yeah, it's going to be great. Thank you.